Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. In today's video, we're going to talk about two main expressions already and not yet. So, these two expressions are very useful and we're going to use them very frequently. So, already is going to be the word ya. Let's not get confused with the word yo. Yo means I, and many students of mine told me before. Sometimes people say "ya," and I thought it was "yo," but no, that's a mistake. "Ya" means already. "Yo" means I. Um, so now the thing is, sometimes you omit the word "yo." So sometimes people think instead of "yo" it's a "ya." Yeah, but it's not the case. So, anyways, ja goes mostly at the beginning of the sentence. So you can also put it at the end, but it goes mostly at the beginning. So just try to get used to put it at the beginning. Let's have a look at this example here. Um, ¿Ya has comido milanesa? This is like, ¿has comido milanesa? Without the ya means, have you eaten milanesa? Right? Um, the the personal pronoun to is omitted, right? So have you eaten milanesa? But with ya here, it becomes, have you already eaten milanesa? Yeah. Has ya has comido milanesa? Have you already eaten milanesa? Sí, ya comí milanesa en Buenos Aires, also written BA. Yeah, Buenos Aires. So it's like, yes, I already ate milanesa in Buenos Aires. So, yeah, I don't know if you know milanesa, it's a typical dish in Argentina. Uh, Very delicious, by the way. But anyway, so ya goes at the beginning. Sí, ya comí milanesa en Buenos Aires. Yes, I already ate milanesa in Buenos Aires. So this is the word ya. You could have also said, sí, yo ya comí milanesa en Buenos Aires, right? So, but the personal pronoun yo was omitted here. But if somebody says, sí, yo ya comí milanesa en Buenos Aires, it's also right. In this case, we are showing that the yo is omitted. So it goes just the word ya. Good. Now let's have a look at the second expression, not yet. And not yet, we say todavía no or aún no. Yeah, these two are both correct. So also at the beginning. Um, so let's have a look at this example. ¿Ya has estado en México? So, has estado en Mexico means, have you been to Mexico? But if you say ya has estado en Mexico, well, remember this sounds Mexico, not Mexico, right? Um, then it would be, have you already been to Mexico? Yeah. So there are two options. You can say yes, I have. It's como sí, ya he estado en México. It will be an answer of this type. But if you haven't been there yet, then you say no, todavía no. And todavía no means not yet. That's it. Um, and as you can see here, the word no is the answer, like no, not yet. So it's two different things. No, not yet. Yeah. Another question. ¿Ya fuiste al museo? So the question alone, fuiste al museo, means did you go to the museum? But if you put the word ya, then it means did you already go to the museum? Ah, so one answer could be no, aún no he ido al museo. You can also add like the rest of the information, even though it's not necessary. Like you don't have to say the rest. Like you don't have to say no, aún no he ido al museo. You could have also said no, aún no. And no, aún no means no, not yet. But you can also say no, I haven't gone to the museum yet. So yeah, this is like a longer version of that answer. Yeah, you could have also done it here. ¿Ya has estado en México? No, todavía no he estado en México. Yeah, good. Now this answer could have been also different. You could have said no, no he ido al museo todavía. So here we are splitting up the todavía and the word no. Yeah. So you can say no, todavía no, blah, 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 blah. Or no, no, blah, 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 todavía. And here it works kind of in English when you say no, no, blah, 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 yet. So this todavía is working like the yet here. So no, no he ido al museo todavía. No, I haven't been to the museum yet. So this is another way to do it. You can split this, but then you have to put the todavía at the end. Yeah. So the same thing happens uh, with aún no. No he ido al museo aún. But to be honest with you, it's much easier to just put them together. Todavía no he ido al museo, o todavía no he estado en México, o aún no he ido al museo, aún no he ido a México. So yeah, it's easier just to keep them together. But if you want to put them separate, you can also do it. It's also possible. So yeah, that's how you use the expressions already, ya, and not yet, todavía no, or aún no. So how do we practice this? Easy. What you're going to do is, well, first of all, practice your Quizlet flashcards and also the notes and writing if the writing helps you learning. And now, in a real life situation, what you're going to do is to ask somebody or people, friends, whoever, questions starting with the word ya, which is like, have you already blah, blah, blah? Or did you already blah, blah, blah? It doesn't matter the past tense. You can use the ya comiste or ya has comido. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Most important is that you use the word ya at the beginning and then listen to the answers because people are going to answer, locals are going to answer, no, todavía no, sí, ya fui, no, todavía no he ido, o no he ido todavía. And by listening to these answers, you're gonna like understand better, have a better understanding of this concept, and then you're gonna reproduce these answers in your answers, later on. So that's how you practice this. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video and have fun. See you in the next video. Hasta luego. Bye bye.